shit. Why would he say that? No, I mean this looks eerily like I'm gonna type up a GoPro. This Beyond Meat is literally like kind of the same exact trade as this GoPro right now. The company cashed out at highs. They did a huge secondary offering when the stock was at highs, and since then they haven't been able to find an uptick. So like maybe the stock bounces between up to 120 or something. You're never seeing it. You're just not going to see it above 200 again. Like I would bet a shitload of money in the next 5 years we're not going to see Beyond Meat over 200 again, because now all the big dogs are getting into the business. They had their run. They had a great run. But, when we see a name fall off that hard, another one is this fucking TLRY, TLRY. Same exact thing. These stocks go parabolic. The companies cash out at highs, as they should. They should. It's good for the company for them to raise money when the stock price is that high. But this name is a complete avoid to me right now, and for the rest of the year, and probably for life, until unless we see years of consolidation, a crazy base breakout, like in Shaq. Like Shaq had that crazy run. Mm-hmm. Then we said the same thing. It's going to be off our radars forever. And then, hold on, I got to delete some shit. And exactly what happened, and that's what I'll be looking for as Beyond Meat. 2016 January is when Shake Shack bottomed, and then November 2017. So about almost 2 years later is when we bought the stock and we started buying it again. So that's the type of shit that this Beyond Meat needs. So people don't want to hear that, but that's the truth from a technical standpoint.
Yeah. I can only see one little dead cat bounce maybe in this name possibly, but again, whenever it's it's just easier just to move on than trying to buy this thing as it just comes back to those IPO lows.
The thing is, big funds and stuff like that, it's like they understand that how many people are trapped in it, how much overhead resistance there is, how much overhead supply there is. There's just a lot of people trapped in this name. A ton of people buying at 150 and all that shit. So funds and the big whales in the market, they're not going to load up a name like this unless something cataclysmically changes in their business, which they've done they've had like the crazy partnerships. They've done all that shit. So it's like they're in Dunkin' Donuts giving breakfast now. So it's like it seems like all the cats, the rabbits are pulled out of the hat.
Yeah. And there's also the bit like the business they're in. Food processing is a very low margin business. So Beyond Meat had the hype, the vegan thing, but at the end of the day, the business isn't a very low margin business. So, it's not, an Apple. But let's not spend 2 years talking about this burger company. Next, we got Joe Park looking at Costco.
There we go.
Up for a little bit. So turn this trend around a little bit.
Yeah. Costco, great company. They're just getting into China, which is going to be huge for their growth. So fundamentally, I love this idea. I'm logging in my long-term accounts. It just needs a pattern right now. They had a nice little earnings move. I just think it needs